Hello everyone, I'm Hassan Umer from Integrated BIM. In this video, we will cover how project managers should use BIM and why should they use it and why it is so critical for them to use BIM in the projects in the 21st century. The project management role has been existed for many decades, centuries, even thousands of years. Before they were calling it survival, now they're calling project management because management has been always part of the people. You manage the project, you manage the activity, but when it comes to the construction project, when things are very complicated because there are a lot of stakeholders, things get to the next level. You need to deal with your own team, you need to deal with multiple teams, multiple stakeholders, the client, and the things can go really crazy. So in this video, we will be covering some of the tips why we need BIM in our projects and why you are making a mistake right now by not using BIM into your projects. Because the main role of the project manager is to deliver the project at the right time, right budget, and the right quality. So we have a golden triangle. And we do not only deliver the project on its own, we deliver the project with a team, with multiple teams. So there are people involved in the process. Therefore, it's also our responsibility as a project manager, as your responsibility and my responsibility to manage teams as well. Meaning there will be conflicts, there will be communications issues, there will be coordination issues, there will be risks that has to be mitigated. There are many things to be tackled. And by using right tools and right systems, we can actually eliminate a lot of headache and problems on the way forward in order to make a smooth workflow. Please comment below what was the biggest struggle you have been facing, whether you managed a team, whether you managed a project, or you managed even something very basic, or maybe you were an architect and it wasn't your role as a project manager, but you just managed a project because it was required, someone had to take this role. So what was the biggest struggle you have been facing? Please comment below. Unfortunately, a lot of people see BIM authoring tools like Revit as BIM on its own. That's not true because it's just solely 3D modeling with some smart components. BIM is a system, is a workflow. So in order to understand more in that, I made specific playlists for you, which is called BIM Principles. You can click on the pop link above or the link in the description below or above, depending on the platform you are watching. We'll launch a perfect course for you that matches Revit with BIM. In this course, we are discussing how Revit can be delivered as a next level, like BIM management and BIM coordination. So what you need to know and what you need to prepare, you need to be careful with Revit, as well as we'll be covering some BIM standards and BIM workflows like ISO standards. We'll be covering how to deliver BIM execution plans. We will be covering how to do master information delivery plans, MIDP. We will be covering how to do level of development or LOIN. We will be covering how to do LOD matrix, which is level of development matrix or level of information needed matrix. So you can assign who, when, how they do the right stuff, the right amount of detail and information needed. This course is made at a master level, and I can guarantee that you will get a lot of benefits. And you have a right to return the product within 30 days if you don't like it. For a limited time, I will be giving you 30% discount simply because you subscribe to this channel and you're supporting this channel. And I want to give something back to you. I want to give it more value to you. This course contains a lot of information, a lot of knowledge. So if you take this course, I can assure you that you can continue your profession as a BIM manager. So hit the link below to get the promo code and I will be happy to see you in the course. Project managers has to use great and excellent tools and build a great system because all the responsibility is in their shoulder. They're directly in contact with the client and they have to ensure the project is running smoothly. Therefore, BIM helps project managers to collaborate with teams more efficiently. And it can also make sure that the client is all the time being informed how the project is progressing effectively. So some risk and some certain design changes, or if client comes up with some other ideas, they can be mitigated immediately so that the project runs smoothly and without any conflicts. One of the biggest problems with the project manager is that some of the team members will not listen to the project manager's direction. However, if there's a great system in hand where the people will be able to collaborate and some mistakes or some issues are clearly visible, they have no other choice to fix them. For instance, if the project manager says, why don't we do it this way or we do it another way, structural engineer might say, no, this is how we do it and that's it. But if you're doing this workflow with BIM, there's a BIM execution plan in hand because the client, the supervision of the project manager, came up with employers or exchange information requirements, and each consultant replied to that with BIM execution plan. So when they replied to the employer's information requirements, which is exchange information requirements, EIR, and the BIM execution plan in hand, the structural engineer cannot say, no, I'm not going with this workflow because it's clearly stated and it can be part of the contract. So again, if you want to learn more about any of these, please comment below. I will be happy to make a specific video for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video added value to you. And we really appreciate your support. Please share this video with your colleagues. And again, comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.